Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Farhanda from Becky College Shanif, SRE, Prime Viewing, your science teacher, class 3. Okay, today we study our unit 2 about the animal world. In this lesson, we learn about what is a life cycle, grow or change in life, and animal life cycle. Okay, before we start our lesson, tell me one different change that you have gone through from a baby to now. One different change that you have gone through from a baby to now. Yes, gain weight, gain height. Okay, when you were a baby, what could you do? Yes, crawling, bubbling, crying. Okay, what could not you do? Walking, jumping. Good. Okay, now we start our lesson. Before we study about the animal life, it is necessary to know what is called zoology. The study of animal is called zoology. Repeat with me. The study of animal is called zoology. The branch of science that deal with the study of animal is called zoology. Students, all living things like human and animals grow or change in their life. This change in their life is called a life cycle. What is life cycle? Life cycle, the change that happens to organisms through its life. What is life cycle? The stages a living thing goes through from birth to death. An animal life cycle starts when it is born. The life cycle continues as the animal grows up. It is not only animals that have a life cycle. Every living thing has a life cycle. Students, here is a life cycle of human that start from to baby, child, to adolescence, to adult. Here is a life cycle of frog. Life cycle of frog start from to egg, tadpole, to frog. Here is life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly life cycle start from egg, larva, pupa, adult butterfly. Here is a life cycle of chicken that start from to egg, chick, to adult. Students, when an animal dies, nutrition from its body go into the soil. These are used by plants to help them grow. Other animals feed on these plants. In this way, even a dead animal can help the life cycle of other animals. So, the dead animal can also play the important role and help the life cycle of other animals. Okay, now we learn about grow or change. Do you have any pet in your home? Yes, cat, dog, parrot. Okay, how your pet has changed over time. Yes, cat, cat, dog, cat, gain its weight, cat, gain height. Okay, do you know the name of baby animal and any adult animal? Okay, the name of baby dog is being puppy. Every living thing grow bigger. The puppy will be as big as the fully grown dog. The baby fish will be as big as the fully grown fish. Students, some animals look look similar throughout their life. They have grown, but their physical features have not changed. Look at the elephant. Look at the dog. They have grown with the passage of time, but their physical features have not changed. Students, there are some animals look different at different time of their life. For example, frog. Frog change in shape completely. It look completely different than the adult. Life cycle of frog start from to egg to tadpole to adult frog. Okay, change in life. Animals change in many different ways throughout their lives. They change size. Some animals change color. Some animals change shapes. Animals change size. This elephant also got much bigger, but it still looks the same. It's only change in size. All the humans go through the same life cycle. They are small at the start of their life. Over the time, they grow bigger and their bodies change. Some animals change color. For example, chicks that have reddish color will grow up to black or brown hen. When the panda are born, the cubs are pink, blind, and hairless. Some animals change shape, like butterfly. Butterfly change its shape from caterpillar to adult butterfly. Okay, how a baby ostrich grow? Student, an ostrich egg is larger than the egg of any other animal. When the egg hatches and the baby comes out, it's the size of a hand. The baby grows fast and in only 6 months it becomes as tall as its parents. So, student, here is a life cycle of honeybee. Life cycle of honeybee start from to egg, to larva, to pupa, to adult. Repeat with me. Life cycle of honeybee start from to egg, larva, pupa, adult. Before we start the stages of life cycle of honeybee, we learn about there are three types of bees: queen, worker, drone. Repeat with me. Three types of bees: queen, worker, drones. Queen. There is there is just one queen in the hive. Her job is to lay eggs. All worker bees are the female. Their role is to collect the food and water. Drones are the only male in the hive. So there are three types of bee: queen, worker, drawn. Okay, the life cycle of bee has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Repeat with me: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Egg. The life cycle of bee begins when the queen bee lays egg. After 3 to 4 days, the egg hatches and a larva crawls out. Larva. The bee larva looks like a flat worm. The larva fed by the worker bees. After 9 days, the larva is fully grown. Then the worker bee seals the top of the cell. Pupa. In this stage, the bee lives within the cell. This stage can take between 16 to 24 days. Adult. When the bee is fully grown, it comes out of its cell and enters the world. Student, here is the life cycle of honeybee. Workbook, page number 7. There are 6 stages. Stage 1. Queen lays egg in wax cell. Stage 2. Worker feeds caged larva. 3. Larva reaches full growth. Number 4. Worker seals cell. Number 5. Larva becomes a pupa. And number 6. Adult bee leaves cell. What is happening at this stage? Students, this slide will help you to solve your workbook page number 7 to complete the life cycle of honeybee. Summary. A life cycle is all the changes that an animal goes through from birth to death. Every living thing grows bigger. Animals change in size, color, and shape throughout their lives. The life cycle of honeybee has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Students, now it is activity time. Draw 3 pictures of yourself on book page number 11. When you were a baby, how you look now, when you are an adult. Students, draw an animal that looks very different when it is grown up from when it was young on assignment page. And it is time for homework. Home assignment. With the help of diagram on book page 16, write life cycle of honeybee on your workbook page number 7. I hope you will understand it. Thank you.